Let's talk about products, which is the main point of selling and earning. Now, to go to the products, just go to the dashboard again, and then click the Add Products. Now, in adding new product, you have to fill up necessary information like the name of the product, the brand, the condition, the price of the product, the category, so on and so forth. Now, aside from that, when you add new product, of course, you also need to add descriptions on what is the product has to offer, like what the products do. Is it about beauty? Is it about health? Etc., etc. You also need to indicate the variants of the product, like the colors, the sizes. Also, you need to upload image, of course, that's very important. You need to upload a photo, and the maximum size for the photo is 1 MB. Also, of course, the shipping options. You need to indicate the product weight and the declared value of the product. Input the amount if you want an item insured during in transit also. And if you prefer your product to have the cash on delivery options, go to cash on delivery and then COD, select if yes or no, and then save everything.